You are viewing an instructional video on how to set up your Microsoft Word documents in proper MLA format, which will create a document that looks like this. The information that follows will have to be set up every time you begin working on an essay. MLA requires a 4-line heading. Since you've already set your defaults, everything should show up double-spaced. The first line will be your name. The second line is your instructor's name. The third line is the name of your class. And the fourth line is the date, with the day of the month first, the month spelled out, and then the year. Notice that there's no punctuation on this date line. The next formatting requirement involves putting your last name and page number in the top right corner of every page of your document. Click on the Insert tab, and then choose Page Number. We want ours to appear at the top of the page over on the right-hand side. You'll see the cursor is now in the header position of your document next to the gray number 1. Anything in a gray box is a field of information which will change as the pages change. So this number 1 from page 1 will change to number 2 on page 2. With your cursor blinking in front of the page number, type in your last name and a space. Anything you type will show up on every page exactly as you type it. Only the information in the gray box would change. To get out of the header, you can either click on Close Header and Footer, or you can double-click anywhere in your document. The title of your document will be centered on the next line. Please don't use words like outline or essay. Instead, create something more interesting that creates a bit of a teaser for your audience. Whenever a title is written in MLA format, it is always written in initial caps, which means that the first and the last words, along with any other important words, will begin with a capital letter. This is true for the titles of your page as well as for the titles of works that you may use inside the document or on your Works Cited page. For the outline page, the thesis statement will be written on the next line following the title. Then your outline itself will begin with Roman numeral 1. Followed by subpoints A and B, Roman numeral 2, subpoints A and B, possibly even sub-subpoints. Notice that an outline must always have at least 2 points on every level. The last helpful shortcut allows you to input new information without affecting your formatting. Position your cursor a couple of lines below the last line of your text. Go to the Insert tab and choose Page Break. Following this step ensures that the text portion of your essay will always appear on its own page. For the text of your essay, the first 5 lines are going to be copied from your outline page. So I'm highlighting those lines, choosing Control-C, which allows me to copy, putting my cursor where it belongs on the next page, and hitting Control-V as in Victor, which allows me to paste. Now, you insert one tab and begin typing the text of your essay. Insert another page break after your text so you can begin typing your Works Cited page. Insert, page break. This page does not have any type of heading, just the automatic last name and page number that should already show up. Center the words Works Cited using the Home tab, and then just begin typing your information. Now, in order to get the proper formatting, you need to go under the paragraph ellipsis again. Under Special Indentation, change it from None to Hanging Indent, and click OK. Now, as you begin typing your information, the first line will be flush with the left margin, and any second or following lines will automatically be indented. After you hit the Enter key, the next line will automatically go to the left margin.